just getting some big reactions coming in. Amit Shah has reacted a short while back. The Union Home Minister has said that Vinesh Phogat said back in the Olympics has certainly broken the hopes of millions of Indians. She has a brilliant sporting career, shining with the glory of defeating the world champion. This misfortune is merely an exception in her trailblazing career, from which I am sure she will bounce back to be the winner she always is. Our best wishes and support are always with her. Amit Shah extending his condolences and saying that she has a brilliant sporting career. Many reactions coming in, viewers, right now as we keep getting these updates. This is a support that he's extending to Vinesh Phogat. A short while back, we also told you, viewers, that multiple reactions are coming in. And this is coming in, viewers, as Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified. We're also coming to know that PM Modi had also tweeted a short while back and said that, Vinesh, you're a champion among champions. You are India's pride and an inspiration for each and every Indian. Today's setback hurts. I wish words could express a sense of despair that I'm experiencing. And let's go straight across to my colleague, Samiksha is joining us. Samiksha, I'm coming across to you. Even though more than 1 billion hearts have broken today, the kind of support that she is getting, that Vinesh Phogat is getting, is especially heartwarming. Go ahead, Samiksha.
Well, absolutely, Shivangi. You know, as we are tracking all that's going to happen, the measures that will be taken by the centre, given that the Prime Minister has taken first-hand information from the IO President herself, saying that he is listening to all the things that have happened in the last few hours. Let's go across to Jishu. He's joining us from the sports desk. Jishu, the very fact that the information is coming today, that she was disqualified because she was overweight by only 100 grams. Is there a foul play angle which is being looked into by the officials at this stage?
I mean, see, it makes no sense. She competed in 3 bouts yesterday, right? She might have been in the 50 kg category or below that, so that she qualified for the 3 bouts yesterday. Now an athlete who competes in 3 bouts in the same day, right, then she dehydrates herself. So how is it a possibility that, you know, she's overweight by 100 grams? Because you are qualifying in such a high intensity match, you're losing calories, you're burning calories, right? Your body goes through such a rigorous training. So I mean, right now it makes no sense that an athlete who has been, you know, overweight by just 100 grams, and nobody knows why this has been the case, has been disqualified from such a big match, from a historic gold medal event match.
And you know, that being said, has it happened in the past that the day when the final match is set to be played, this news is broken that the player in any particular case did not qualify because he was overweight? Has that happened in the past?
See, this is something that rarely happens. I mean, I haven't heard it happen in the past. But, you know, I mean, just you know, hours before, just days before, you know, when she's about to make a final performance in the Olympics, she's just overweight by 100 grams, and that too while competing, you know, she has competed yesterday. She defeated 3 wrestlers yesterday. I mean, makes no sense as of now. I mean, if you think about it practically, it makes no sense. And she was admitted to the hospital also because she was skipping meals. She had dehydrated herself. Now she's stable. But just being overweight by 100 grams, I mean, you know, that I have never seen this happen.
And that being said, Jishu, what are the legal options, if at all, that the centre is considering at this stage? Are there even any legal options in cases when a player is disqualified because the person is overweight?
See, right now you cannot do anything legally because, you know, she will also not be able to get the silver medal. She was overweight. These wrestling competitions, boxing competitions, they all revolve around the weight categories. Now she has failed to meet the stipulated standards of the weight category. So I don't think there are any options left. I mean, let's just say that, you know, India has been, you know, we could not get our very much deserved silver medal or gold medal as of now. I mean, it's very unfortunate for Vinesh and for the entire country as well.
Well, absolutely, Shivangi, as you just heard, you know, and as we speak, also to add here, that the Prime Minister has taken first-hand information from PT Usha, the IO President herself, on what exactly transpired at the Paris Olympics. That being said, also to mention that Vinesh Phogat's condition is stable, given that she was hospitalized as she experienced dehydration following the relentless cycling and jogging that she was doing on the eve of the final bout. Shivangi.
All right, Samiksha, thank you for joining us there.